Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
मला सांगा 31 तारीखपर्यंत जर वॅक्सिनेशन पूर्ण झालं तर टुरिझम ओपन करायला हरकत नाही का?
That depends on the Directorate of Health Services.
पण आता सेफ आहे का? तुम्हाला 100% वॅक्सिनेशन झालं, सगळ्यांना पहिला डोस दिला तर ओपन करायला सेफ आहे का?
Second dose is also required. Right now there are few tourists who are coming in with the RT-PCR.
हां.
So slowly tourism will open. Right
August
now
first.
slow tourism is opening. It's not that tourists are not coming. Tourists are coming. 5 stars are open. Even 4 stars are open. Now restaurants are opening with 50% sitting. So it will take a little more time. But in that period, we have to finish the vaccination.
Are we prepared
Both
for,
the vaccination.
Are we prepared for third wave?
That only health minister will come now.
Yeah.
Secretary health is there. They are the best people to tell
They
you.
are not
Whatever
updating
we have done in our constituencies, whatever hospitals are required, everything, all those things are taken care of.
थर्ड वेव्हचं असताना
GMC also has geared up.
थर्ड वेव्ह
The other
असताना
day they have given us a presentation also.
Okay. What is the latest update on Bangini?
Mangani paperwork is going on.
पण त्यांचं लोकलचं झडपीच बीजेपीचं तसं तर म्हणतं आपण कशात जापाक देतो ना सिद्धेश.
That is, he has to go to the High Court. He has to go to the High Court because High Court has given green signal, NGT has given.
Okay.